Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into RenttoOwn, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for RenttoOwn in the address bar. Press the enter key to navigate to the web page. Once the home page loads, locate the login button. Click on the login button, typically found in the upper right corner. A new login page will appear. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Make sure to double-check for any typos. Next, move to the password field. Type in your password carefully. If you're unsure about your password, look for the Forgot Password link below the login fields. Click on that link to initiate the password recovery process. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. Return to the login page after resetting your password. Re-enter your email and new password in the respective fields. Once both fields are filled, click the login button again. After a moment, you should be redirected to your dashboard. If you enter incorrect credentials, an error message will appear. Review your email and password, then try logging in again. If you're using a shared device, consider logging out after your session. To log out, find the Logout option in the menu. Click on it to securely end your session. You are now successfully logged into RenttoOwn. Enjoy exploring your account and the services available. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.